Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. Today's headlines.
PM Imran Khan telephones Parvez Ilahi. Prime Minister Imran Khan telephoned leaders of the coalition party ahead of National Assembly session. PM likely to take vote of confidence on Saturday. Prime Minister Imran Khan is likely to seek a vote of confidence afresh from the National Assembly on Saturday. Met Office forecast extended summer in Pakistan this year. PMD has forecast and extended summer in the country this year. COAS General Bajwa meets PM Imran Khan. Chief of the Army Staff General Qamar Javed Bajwa called on Prime Minister Imran Khan here in Islamabad at the Prime Minister office. PDM to start long march on March 26 from Karachi. Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz General Secretary Ahsan Iqbal announced on Thursday that Pakistan Democratic Movement would begin its long march against the incumbent government from Karachi on March 26.
News. Take care and keep watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.